Located in Zhongshan, Guangdong, Logoson Arts and Crafts Company Limited is a professional traveling souvenir factory integrating R&D, production, and shipping for over 20 types of souvenirs. The main products include fridge magnets, bottle openers, keychains, pin badges, compact mirrors, dinner bells, decorative plates, nail clippers, glass ashtray, polyresin souvenirs, ceramic souvenirs, and are continuing to provide new and exciting products these years. Product design and craftsmanship are what we appreciate. The company currently employs several experienced designers in the industry. We're always sensitive to market trends and customers' needs. Logoson insists on tailor-made products for every customer, combining their specific requirements with innovative ideas and crafts so that all the souvenirs can be exquisite, fashion, and distinctive with regional characteristics. For the past 22-plus years since its establishment, Logoson has been implementing the brand development strategy, adhering to the business philosophy of integrity management, professionalism, quality-oriented, and satisfying service. Besides, the factory is equipped with modern equipment, puts through strict quality controls, and carries out a modern management system. High-quality products and sincere service is our core competence. These years we export to over 80 countries in North America, South America, Northern Europe, Eastern Europe, South Asia, Western Europe, Oceania, etc. We hope to cooperate with more customers for mutual business and benefits. Welcome to contact us.